If you work with diagrams, posters, flowcharts, or any visual layout in LibreOffice Draw, exporting your file as a PDF is one of the most useful things you can learn. PDF is perfect for sharing because it keeps your formatting clean, your pages consistent, and your document easy to open on almost any device. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export LibreOffice Draw as a PDF step by step, so you can save your work in a professional format without any confusion. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look at the left side of the Start Center under the Create section and click Draw Drawing. This opens a new LibreOffice Draw document where you can begin working on your design. If you already have a draw file saved, you can open that existing file instead, which is usually the faster option if you're ready to export a finished project. Once your draw document is open, take a quick moment to make sure everything looks the way you want it to. Check your layout, text, shapes, alignment, and page spacing. Since you're about to export to PDF, it's a good idea to confirm that your final design is ready to be shared or printed. A PDF will preserve the look of your document, so any changes you make here will carry over into the exported file. Now move to the top of the screen and click File in the menu bar. This is where LibreOffice keeps the main document actions, including saving, exporting, and printing options. After clicking File, look for Export As. This option is specifically used when you want to create a copy of your document in another format while keeping the original LibreOffice file intact. Next, click Export as PDF. This opens the PDF export settings window where you can control how the final PDF will be created. Depending on your version of LibreOffice, you may see different tabs or options, but the process is still very similar. If you want a standard export, you can usually leave most settings as they are. However, if you want to optimize the PDF for a specific purpose, this is where you can make adjustments. For example, you may want to check page range settings, image compression, or quality options if your document includes graphics. If your draw file contains detailed artwork, diagrams, or a lot of images, it can be helpful to review these settings carefully so the output stays sharp and clear. If you're not sure what to change, the default settings are often perfectly fine for everyday use. Once you're happy with the settings, click Export. LibreOffice will then ask you where you want to save the PDF file. This is the final step before the file is created. Choose a folder on your computer, such as Desktop, Documents, or a Project folder, so you can find it easily later. Give the file a clear name if needed, especially if you're exporting multiple versions of the same project. After choosing your save location, click Save. LibreOffice will process the file and create your PDF. In just a few seconds, your LibreOffice Draw document will be exported as a PDF document, ready to share, upload, email, or print. And that's it. You've successfully exported LibreOffice Draw as a PDF. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it's a great way to make your designs more portable and professional. If this tutorial saved you time, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.